You're a hardworking 9-to-5 professional, diligently saving, investing, and planning for your financial future. Life is good. Now, throw in the curveball, a sleek, shiny, and oh-so-tempting new car. You decide to take the plunge, but little did you know, this decision would have a ripple effect on your financial stability. Now, if this scenario sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, we're getting real about something many of us can't escape: cars. Yes, those four-wheeled companions that often sneakily drain our bank accounts. Buckle up, because today, we're exposing how cars are keeping you poor, and how you may just be driving into debt. What is the true cost of car ownership? Let's start by peeling back the layers of the true cost of car ownership. Sure, we all know about the upfront costs, the purchase price, and those pesky taxes. But what about the ongoing expenses? Fuel, insurance, maintenance, repairs. It adds up quicker than you might think. And let's not forget the silent killer: depreciation. Your car's value nosedives the moment you drive it off the lot. It's like investing in a money pit. Now that we've covered the hefty price tag of car ownership, let's talk opportunity cost, the road not taken in the world of finance. Think of it like this: the money spent on your car could have been working harder elsewhere. Imagine this: instead of dropping cash on a depreciating asset, what if you invested that money? Let's talk returns. While cars lose value over time, smart investments have the potential to grow. It's like planting seeds that turn into financial trees, providing shade in the form of returns. But it's not just about growing wealth, it's also about dodging financial pitfalls. What if, instead of a car payment, you directed that money towards paying off debt? Every dollar you throw at debt is a step toward financial freedom, a strategic move to outsmart those interest rates. So, before you sign on that dotted line for a new set of wheels, ask yourself, what else could this money be doing for my financial future? The answer might just reshape your path to prosperity. Now, let's talk about alternatives to owning a car. First up, public transportation. Imagine ditching the car payments, insurance, and maintenance costs altogether. Opting for buses, trains, or subways can be a game changer. Let's break it down. Say your monthly car expenses clock in at $500. Switching to public transit could cut that down to $100, giving you an extra $400 to play with each month. That's a potential $4,800 in your pocket every year. Now, let's talk about biking. It's not just a workout, it's a financial flex. A decent bike might set you back $300, but compare that to the thousands spent on a car. No fuel costs, minimal maintenance, and a healthier you. It's a win-win. Plus, think about the parking money you'll save. Carpooling is another game changer. Splitting the costs with others not only slashes your expenses, but is also a greener choice. If your car expenses are $500 a month, carpooling could easily cut that in half, giving you an extra $250 in your pocket monthly. Lastly, ride-sharing services. While not completely cost-free, they can be a budget-friendly alternative, especially if you don't need a car daily. Let's say you spend $300 a month on ride shares, still cheaper than full car ownership. The convenience is undeniable, and you get to skip the headaches of maintenance and parking. The alternatives are real, and they're financially liberating. Public transit, biking, carpooling, and ride-sharing aren't just options. They're potential money-saving superpowers. Consider the freedom from car payments and the extra cash in your pocket. There you have it, folks. We've uncovered the financial pitfalls of car ownership, explored the power of opportunity cost, and discovered money-saving alternatives that can revolutionize your budget. So, before you commit to that next car, remember, every dollar spent on wheels is a dollar that could be growing your wealth or crushing debt. And those alternatives, public transportation, biking, carpooling, ride-sharing, they're not just alternatives, they're pathways to financial freedom. Here's your challenge: rethink your ride, calculate the costs, and consider the alternatives. Share your game-changing transportation tips in the comments, because we're all in this financial journey together. If you found today's insights valuable, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more financial wisdom, and, as always, stay frugal, stay wise. Now watch this video about how to stop living paycheck to paycheck.